friends, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Agya Amatya, and in this video I'm going to show you an interesting project on 13th project of ESP32 basic starter kit. Are you excited? So let's start. For this project we need ESP32 development board, LCD display, breadboard, jumper wires, resistor, button and LED. I have connected LCD display with ESP32, VCC with VIN, GND with GND, SDA with GPIO 21, SCL with GPIO 22. Then I have connected LED with ESP32, positive pin with GPIO 2 with resistor, negative with GND. Then I have connected button with ESP32, pin 1 with GPIO 4, pin 2 with GND. In Arduino IDE, I have already done coding, so I'll give the codes in description. So let's see the code. In line number 15, just change your SSID, and in line number 16, just change your Wi-Fi password. Now I will show you the demonstration. Now I will upload the code. Now the code is successfully uploaded. Here, just use this IP address in your mobile. Now let's go to my mobile. So now I'm in my mobile. So now I will go to Chrome browser and type 192.168.1.87. So now you can see this interface. As you can see, light off shown in LCD. Now I will toggle the button. As you can see, LED is turned on. Now I will click the button physically. So light is turned off. So now I will demonstrate it again. Thank you for watching my video, and please do like, share, subscribe my channel. I'll be making more videos like this. Bye bye.